how important your online presence is, especially on the e-commerce store. Either it is a digital product or a physical product, it is very important to have your e-com store online. No matter you are at Etsy or you are on Amazon, or Myntra, whatever platform you are on, but the presence on the web is very very important. So, hi, my name is Mohan. I am an online creator and a store owner of Creator Studio 99 and Creator Design Studio on Etsy, and also I have a beautiful e-com website. So today I'm going to cover a few important things that needed, to have the online presence. The first thing that I'm going to talk about, doesn't matter you have uh, your product or service on any third-party platform, you have there, but the important thing is you should have your online presence as well. Don't be dependent on the third-party platform where you don't have a control, where you don't know if you get banned sometime. Any policy violation, anything, can make your dreams to into the shadow. So I would say, you should have the online presence where you have the full control of your inventory, everything, uh, do your SEO better, make Google ads working, Facebook ads working, do everything that can bring some sales for your online store as well. So there are different platforms that you can use these days, to have the your online store on website. One of the best platform is Shopify. Other than that, you can use WordPress, WooCommerce. There is a Wix website. You can use Go High Level. There are so many third-party platform available where you don't need to code. All you have to have just basic sense of the design. They provide the online templates. All you have to do is to put your inventory and the information on it. Just follow the structure. So just to give you the update, yesterday we got one more sale on my Etsy store, and on the website daily basis, on my online store. We are getting 2 or 3 sales organically, and we are not running any ads right now. We have run previously, but we didn't find it profitable. But we have some other strategy that we need to follow, and we are going to make that possible and bring some sales from the catalog ads very soon with the help of Google Ads. And apart from this, we are also planning to launch some of the more digital products in the future. Where we can have more inventory, more SKUs on our store, which will give the variety to our brand. And Creator Studio 99 is really doing great. Creator Design Studio is on the early stage. We make over 1,000 sales on Creator Studio, and Creator Design just crossed 10 sales on Etsy. And on our website, we don't have these two different brand, but we just have one brand, that is Creator Studio 99, where we have the store. Everything that we are doing on those two Etsy stores, everything is on our that online store. And we are hoping that we will grow with the flow, and hope to have a good sales in the future. So anybody who's watching my video, if they need anything to ask me from my experience, from my 10 years of experience, please feel free to click the link in the description below and talk with me. I'll be there for you. Thank you so much.